Hey guys, and welcome to a new video in this deep learning model of the day series. In this video here, we're going to talk about face reconstruction. So we're basically going to throw in some images like old photos of faces, and then we can actually do reconstruction or restoration of those images. So we can actually upscale the quality and stuff like that with deep learning. But first of all, remember to hit the subscribe button and bell notification under the video, and also like this video here if you like the content and want more in the future. You can also become a member of the channel if you want to have some help in your own projects and have some guidance from me. So here we basically just jumped into the Hugging face space with the GFPGAN. So this is basically a practical face restoration algorithm where it uses GAN neural networks. So here we can see this Gradio demo here for this paper here that is implemented. And it can be used for to actually restore your old photos or improve AI generated faces. So if you have some old photos that you want to upscale the quality of and also get more detail in the faces, so we're actually restoring our faces, or if you have AI generated faces as we have done in previous videos, we can actually improve those as well. So here we can basically just upload our image, and then we'll get the output image over here to the right. We can also choose some different kind of versions for this model. We can also have a rescaling factor. Down here at the bottom, they have some examples. So we can, for example, take this old photo down here, like this old family photo down at the bottom. We choose this example, it will do the processing. And then over here to the right, we can actually see the improved quality of this photo. So here we can see that there's a lot of noise going on. There's not really a lot of details in the faces. So we can definitely tell that this is an old photo. And then we have the improved photo over here to the right, where we're actually rescaling the image as well, so it will be twice as big. We can choose, we can play around with this rescaling factor if you want to have a larger or larger or smaller image. We can also download it directly down here at the bottom if you want to download the output image. But here we can just see that the quality here in the faces, it has improved a lot, or actually really significantly. So you can take your old photos and then you can improve them with the use of deep learning and AI. We can try the other example here. So this is actually just another example. We have an old photo. We also have a more a better photo here, but this is not really a good camera, and we still have a lot of kind of a blur. It's not really high resolution. We can choose the version down here of the model, and then we can basically see the output over here to the right. So the quality here is just increased significantly. We can just see we don't really have any blur here. We don't have these kind of pixel quality, and then we can also see the details of the woman here to the right. So we can just see this is a really crazy model to actually restore old photos or improve image quality images. So you basically just take your input image and then you throw it into the model, and it will just improve it by a lot, and then you can get way more detailed images, and it's just way better looking after you have passed in your images through this model. So thank you guys for watching this video, and again, remember to hit the subscribe button and bell notification under the video, or else I'll see you next video, guys. Bye for now.